We had to take different route because the usual route has been destroyed.
Abdel Rafi Benjaloun is normally cooking at his Moroccan restaurant Imperial Fez in Gwinnett County. But for the last week, he's been a tour guide showing his country to visitors from the U.S.
Nobody wants to see his beloved country, Morocco especially, and it's very, very sad to see what happened.
His group was in Tangier Friday night, just 6 hours north of Marrakesh, where a 6.8 magnitude earthquake hit. While they didn't feel it, they've been seeing the aftermath as they drive across the country.
There's a mosque right in the middle of the square of Jam El Fna, which is a very famous square. All rumbles, and people passed away there too.
This week, Benjaloun's tour group is heading to the epicenter of the destruction where his sister-in-law lives. He says she rushed outside during the earthquake, helping her survive.
The whole city went out of their houses to the streets scared.
More than 2,500 people were not as lucky. As the death toll rises, Benjaloun says more help is needed.
I mean, it's like having a dagger that is not wished for in your heart. As a Muslim, you're supposed to surrender to the will of God. So you say, okay, God, we accept.
From the local economists, they're concerned about tourism because they also survive on that, and they've had a lot of cancellations. And there's really no reason to do that, at least if you're not going into that southern area.
Chef Rafi says that when he comes back to Atlanta at the end of the month, he plans to hold a fundraiser right here to help the earthquake victims. In Gwinnett County, Paola Lucero, 11 Alive News.